This time around, I feel like the interactions I'm having with people and the level of energy that's in this city has changed. The change in the world that's happening with AI and with the world, or at least in the modern world, developing countries, which are going to more automation and less human interaction. If you're worried about AI taking your job, this is what you've got to do. So I decided to do a little bit of a vlog. I'm in Da Nang city right now in Vietnam, and it's one of those places that is absolutely fascinating. I have been here before, but I was not single at that time. And right now I am traveling alone, and it's a totally different experience to when I was here 2 years ago. For comparison, one thing is the people seem to be a little bit more lively. The city itself seems to be a little bit more lively. There's a buzz in the air, there's activity, there's traffic, there's tourists. The hotels are busy, the restaurants are busy. It has an aliveness to it, which is very, very fascinating and actually very nice to see. Because when I was here 2 years ago, so this was 2023, it was quiet. It was kind of just out of COVID. We were just getting out of COVID, and it wasn't really. It was nice. It was cheap, but it was different. And this time around, I feel like the interactions I'm having with people and the level of energy that's in this city has changed. I don't know. I guess as I'm observing the world and observing things around me, maybe because I don't have to worry about catering for somebody else. Because when you're in a relationship, it seems to be like we're having to take care of that other person as well, and so that takes up mental space. It takes up energy, and that's kind of a bummer sometimes, because you want to make sure that your partner is happy all the time. But then also it's like, well, what about your own happiness, and what about your own level of satisfaction? So that's just something that's on my mind. The other thing that I've realized is that the change in the world that's going on. Hello.
Hello.
The change in the world that's happening with AI and with the world, or at least in the modern world, developing countries, which are going to more automation and less human interaction. I believe, my prediction is that service-based businesses, especially personal service-based businesses, are actually going to do very, very well. They're going to explode as far as allowing or giving people that personal attention, giving people that sense of individuality, but also that sense of like personal interaction. So the reason I'm saying this is because I just had a haircut, as you can see, and I just used Google to find this place, Toll Brothers, and it was one of those experiences where I went for a little bit of the premium package. They gave me a head massage, washed my face, gave me a massage on my shoulders and my arms. I feel amazing. And the haircut was exceptionally good as well.
Repeat.
And it cost like, with my tip, I gave them $100,000. It was $680,000. In US dollars, $25 for a haircut. Now, I don't know about you, but that's cheap. I feel like that was such good value for the massage, for really good service, and I felt like a $1,000,000. I felt really, really amazing. And this is the reason I'm saying that personal interactions, even if they're a little bit more expensive, are going to win, because in the UK, in the US, things are going automated, and like when we go to check out at the grocery store, we have to swipe the things ourselves. There's nobody packing our bags for us anymore. One of those things. In Thailand, that's still a thing. Like in Asia, Southeast Asia, we still have the ability, like there's still those services. But I think the businesses in the future that offer that level of service are going to win. They're going to absolutely crush it, and they're going to be able to charge premiums prices because of that. And so if you're worried about AI taking your job, or these robots, these bots, these not so human interactions taking your work from you, this is what you've got to do, is skill yourself in personal skills where you're dealing with people one-on-one and you're able to provide that service, provide that extra level of attention. That's how you're going to win. I mean, personal service has always been a thing, but I believe the hairdressers, the massage parlors, the Uber drivers, the tour operators, the companies that are doing one-on-one service are going to absolutely crush it over the next few years as we navigate this new world. So that's a little bit of my story. I'm going to find a co-working space right now. So let's see if they're open. It's called Tic Tac. Let's have a look.